Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Ainde. This is the part 2 of the video, and I'll link the part 1 video on anywhere around the screen. So for the people that are just looking at um this one only, you have to look at the part 1 for you to understand what I'm trying to do. And this video is just merely me uh trying to invest the sum of 100,000 naira in the market uh, as of January, right? So I've invested 30,000 naira. So this is the second part of the video, which I will be utilizing my 70k cash balance as we proceed along. All right, this is Wealth NG. Wealth NG is another application or another platform that allows us to invest in the markets, and I'm also not an agent of the Wealth NG company. They are not paying me anything. I'm just using their websites because I enjoy using it, and I like what they're offering me, and I like what they offer in the markets and stuff. All right, excuse me. So in this video, my first thing first, I'm not my I'll be investing in stocks, but it will be a speculative asset. Why? Because currently I don't understand how the stock markets move. I don't know what drives the stock market up and down. Recently, Airtel announced that they bid for the 5G, which made their price, the share price or the stock price, go higher. Now, I don't really understand how the stock market moves. What are the key drivers of this stock market? And I'm learning stuff, so you have to stick with me throughout this year, and I'll be showing you a very interesting stuff, because one of my goals is just to be a full-time trader of the Nigerian stock exchange, stock market. That is my dream. Like, I want to be a full-time trader, like just like the rest of the stocks. I'm talking about the auto dollar and the rest of them, right? So I don't know how the stock market moves, so I won't be investing hugely in the stock market, amongst other reasons. What are the reasons, Andy? The first reason is do you remember that we had a flood, a disaster in Nigeria that took, I think it affected the northern parts and the eastern parts. The whole country, it was affected by flood, and I'm certain of it that going forward into 2023, it will affect the prices of a lot of things, and in a good way and in a bad way, right? So that is why this year I will be focusing only on commodities. What are commodities? These are things like agriculture, and stocks pertaining to agricultural products. So this year I will be investing in only agriculture. Why? Because I know the prices of foods are in Nigeria are about to skyrocket again. I hope not. I hope not. But this is just my simple analysis, and I know the prices of foods will definitely skyrocket. So I am choosing to put invest my money in agricultural funds, and the minimum of this agricultural fund is 50k. And if you see if you see this other ones with this maize, which is sold out, sorghum is sold out, maize is sold out, everything is sold out apart from this agricultural fund. And why is that? Why is it sold out? I have no idea. So it definitely means these people know what is going on. So you guys, you don't have to take my word for it. Just make sure you go and do your due diligence, you do your research. And I've been screaming that I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just trying to, push out this educational content, and I hope you guys learn from it. So my first investment will be this agricultural fund, which is the minimum of 50k. So I'm only investing in 50k. I'm only investing a minimum of 50k. So let's do it. Oh, excuse me, just one. So just one unit is 50,000, and that's what I'll be buying. I have one already, so I'll be buying it again, because I think I just explained the reason why I'm investing in commodities and agriculture, right? All right. So I've invested successfully in the agricultural funds. Now, the for the last part of the video, I have 20,000 naira left. I have 20,000 naira left, and I will be investing in the stock market that think, but I'm not sure, will increase in value What is the stock? Let me show you a little technical analysis. Let's go a little bit of technical over here, because I am a I'm a forex trader, and I understand a little bit. I understand a whole lot about technical analysis, and I know how this market moves. I mean, I'm talking about Euro USD, GDP, but I trade only indices. I trade US 500 and then Nasdaq. That's what I trade. So now let's go. I'll be investing in this Okomo oil. Now, according to my chart analysis, we've been rising up ever since 2020. I mean, September 2019. The price of Okomo oil has been increasing until this moment, which is August, the same August 2022. So what the price did, it came down, and this is a gap. We call it gap in technical analysis. This is a gap. So I expect price to fill this gap and then do something like this, continue its movement upward, just like that. But now what I'll be doing is, I won't be riding this thing all along. Once I'm buying at the current market price over here, so I'll be holding for at least a new high, which is 218.7, which is just the buy side liquidity of this place. So that's what I'm doing, and that will net me a whooping sum of 32%. So I am investing my last 20k in this market. Why? I'm only trading this because I want to believe this price will rise up from here. So I hope I'm correct. I'll be very happy if I am, because I just like I said, I'm planning on trading this thing full time. So if you look at this place, what do they say? They say agricultural, commodities, and mining. So these are commodity stocks. So this is what I'll be investing in. So let's go back and choose this Okomo oil, because I really think the price of Okomo oil this year would increase, right? So let me search for Okomo oil. All right, over here is these folks are meant to have search button. I don't know what's going on. Okay. Okay, they do have search button indeed. All right. Okay, so I will be buying this. I'll be purchasing these. Okay, now they said the Nigerian Stock Exchange opening hours are between 10 a.m. to 20 p.m. But I will put in my order, because I'll be doing other things. So I will let the market handle itself, and I will pay for whatever. And because they do charge tax as well. So what I will be doing is, I will be buying how many units? Let me do a quick calculation. I have my calculator over here, if you don't mind. So 165 times divided by 20,000. That is, oh, what am I doing? Okay. Divided by 20 divided by 165. Alright, I will be buying 121 units, which is equivalent to 20,000 thereabouts. So I'll be buying 121 units. So I'm not putting in my order is I'm putting in a market order. Now let me go back to this chart analysis. Price, if you understand what price does, price could come back into this place, or come here and fill this order block. Once price does this, I'm okay with it. You see, I'm very okay. I don't mind. I would even buy more, but I have a target. I don't want to exceed the amount I've said I will be investing. I might be investing in other stuff. I do have a little bit of investment in bamboo, and I'll be shooting a video about it later in the future. Just make sure you click the like button and turn on the notification, and subscribe if you want to, so that you won't miss out on whatever video I'm shooting, okay? Because I think this video is very interesting, and you will see how price move in real-time data. I'm not sugarcoating anything. I'm just giving you guys the real data, okay? I'm not here to just sugarcoat things and manipulate things. No, I'm giving the real data and how I believe price moves. And I'm sure if we learn how these things move, I'm telling you guys, you could get into this market as early as possible, then exit as early as possible too. At least if you are making let's say a minimum of 50k, 50k from the stock market. I'm not promising you will. I'm just giving you we are just talking, so I'm not promising you will. I believe if you can make a minimum of 50k in this market, I think that's okay. So far, it's above the minimum wage, and I'm sure 50k per month is something. To me, is something definitely. So, all right, I'm not. Pardon my jargons. So, I believe price will come here. I'm speculating, right? I'm just speculating, but I'm just buying this box because see what price has done over here. See the way price went back up. I don't want to go into the lower time frame because this one is much more cleaner. All right. So I believe this year 2023 will be a very, very bullish price for this Okomo oil and other stock market, but I'm only focusing on Okomo oil. I like the way this chart looks, and I'm really interested in looking at it. So this is a gap. We call it a gap or a liquidity void. It's a void. It's an empty place. And mostly when there's a gap up like that, it means the price is bullish. So the algorithm bring price down. So we can say that this price gapped up. So I believe it came to fill. Then boom, we are going up. So I'm not holding this for a long time. So the projected price, I don't know how price moves, but let's say by Q2 or Q3, I will definitely update you guys on how this price moves. So this is just a simple price analysis on Okomo oil. All right, so let's go back into this thing and let me purchase my stuff. All right, I hope you guys understand the job building I've been doing, and I'm really excited about this market. And this year I would really love to introduce you guys to the things I've seen in this market, and we can learn together how this market moves. Okay, I'm sure there are ways we can really study this market and take it to our advantage. All right, guys, that would be all for today. I don't want to take you guys time. Thank you for watching this video to the end. I think I think I have to pay more, which I will do later. So I don't know why this is charging me more than that. So I have to pay for taxes actually. If you see the consideration fee, I have to pay for taxes and SEC fee, whatever, whatnot. So welcome to Nigeria. This is what they do, and I think I don't know. It's outrageous. This price is. I believe it is outrageous, but I'm not controlling the market. They are charging what is fair, and okay, I'm not complaining. But for now, let me only check out with my agricultural funds, which is zero taxes, and I'm not paying anything. So I'm paying with my pay from cash balance. All right, confirm payment. Okay, I've invested in the agricultural funds, and I will definitely be investing in the. I'll be adding a little bit of funds just to pay for whatever they required. Then, I don't want to take you guys' time. Thank you for watching this video. If you if you believe this video is useful, you can click the like button. I actually have some stocks I bought. This is how I began the market. Then I'll be talking about it in later in the future. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video. Also, I don't want to take your time. I don't want this video to pass 15 minutes. All right, and I really appreciate you guys for sticking through all the way to the end, because I believe there are very, very interesting things in this market that we don't know about, and I hope we can learn something together. All right, so kindly share this video to anybody that is interested in investing, and so that we can educate them together. Okay, thank you very much, guys, and that will be all for today. See you in my next video. Bye, guys.